Hello, I'm Eon of Mobilant. In this video, we will learn about chargers that should not be used. Commonly available on AliExpress. I bought 3 chargers. Initiate the voltage test of the charger. The full charge voltage of a lithium-ion battery is, it usually has 4.2 volt. Multiply this by the battery series number 13, the full charge voltage will be 54.6 volt. We learned how to calculate the battery pack fully charged voltage. First, check the 48V charger voltage. This charger measured 55.66 volt. Exceeds 10V, charging voltage is too high. The BMS, which is called the protection circuit built into the battery pack. It prevents overcharging, so you can use it as is. If the BMS fails, the battery pack fires or damaged battery pack cells. It is not advised because it is directly related to lifespan. This is a lithium-ion charger for another company's 48 volts battery, measured 56.1 volt. At full charge voltage, it exceeds 1.5 volt. This is a really dangerous charger. Full charge voltage is now achieved with 10 series batteries. Let's try the 42 volts charger. Full charge voltage is 42 volts. The charger voltage was measured at 41.42 volts. Although the charging voltage is not enough, 0.6 volts is within tolerance. Battery chargers that exceed 1 volts are extremely dangerous. The more advanced charger with aluminum case, the better. A voltage close to the fully charged battery voltage is output. We recommend purchasing a product that is more stable than price. The video bulletin board has the product address required for production. Clicking like and subscribing is a great help in producing a broadcast. Thanks for watching.